Okay, so what we have here is client called us out to say the gate wasn't working, and when we had a quick look, basically what we have here, we've a spring that triggers the limit switches to stop the motor when the gate is in the open position or in the closed position. So we're down in a coastal area, so this has been in for a few years now, so the spring's just after effectively rotting away. So it's a fairly simple fix. Basically, you get your cover off this fella. There's your limit switches either side, so we can just get this fella out, come out, one-handed. There we go. We'll just give him, and I get our spring in there, just clear that fella out. That's him. And I get our spring in there, and there we go. I get our cover. Clean the cover. There we go. There we go. Job's a good one.